See Weather Lab. Here's Rob's forecast.
Welcome back. Well, after a dry couple of days, it looks like rain chances back on the way up for tomorrow. And they're going to stay with us through Friday. Maybe the rain chances come down just a bit for the weekend. Plus the tropics, even though Gordon has moved inland, we're tracking 3 systems in the Atlantic basin. And we'll be talking about that probably for the next several weeks as well. So let's take a look at the big picture across the region. We are looking at the upper level pattern, and the center of the upper level low and nearly surface low of Gordon's up here in northwestern Mississippi into southeastern Arkansas. Meanwhile, you do see all this moisture in the Gulf of Mexico and off to the east. That's all going to be heading northward as this low off to the north and west moves off to the north and west down the line. So that's why we'll see better rain chances. Radar satellite opportunity here showing us generally fair skies across the Bayou State. All the wet weather up in Mississippi for the most part, but you do see some isolated patches of green in the Gulf of Mexico. That's that deeper moisture that will be working its way inland tomorrow. So get the umbrellas handy. It'll be back to the same old across Louisiana, at least for September. Here's the enhanced infrared satellite loop. Unfortunately, no big heavy-duty rains in the offing along the Gulf Coast, where some rains exceeded 9 to 12 inches of rain from the Florida Panhandle through Alabama and Mississippi with Gordon. But now that system just a shell of what it was. Gulf of Mexico and the Caribbean relatively quiet. We do have this upper level low over here in the northeastern Bahamas. We'll keep an eye on that feature, but we're not expecting anything to develop out of that. Meanwhile, we got 3 systems out in the Atlantic basin. One that's probably going to develop down the line here. This is that African wave coming off the coast. It's moving generally off to the east. Then this particular system, I think this is going to be upgraded by tomorrow to at least a tropical depression if it holds itself together. A 90% chance of development there over the next 5 days. Where it goes after here, well, we'll talk more about that in a second. And then we have Hurricane Florence, not as organized as it was earlier this afternoon. It was up to a Category 4, but right now we're starting to see some southwest shear coming in into the system, and that's why we don't have a nice round system here with Florence. But Florence is going to be a weather maker, perhaps close to Bermuda and maybe even the East Coast down the line. It's expected to remain a Cat 3 storm for a couple of days, then a little shear comes in, then it strengthens back to a Category 3, perhaps even a Category 4 through the weekend into early next week. And obviously close to Bermuda, they'll be keeping an eye on that system, and it could go one of 2 ways. It could curl out in a weakness out here in the Atlantic. That does not seem the possibility right now, or it gets close to the U.S. before it makes a turn. So we'll be watching that feature. In fact, here's the European model, and it shows us here's Florence pretty much showing up nicely right out here in the Atlantic. Then could this be the next system? And then another one behind it. These are the 2 that we'll be watching come off the African coast. And as we continue to advance the graphics, there's Florence dangerously close to the East Coast, but this is one model, so we got to take it with a grain of salt. That's why I always say one model projection, not an official forecast. And then we'll be watching this system that'll be approaching the Windward Islands down the line. Meanwhile, we get closer in going into the latter part of next week. Broad low pressure in the Gulf of Mexico, perhaps. So tropical season certainly on, even in a non-busy season. There's usually about 4 or 5 storms we track in the month of September, and this September will be no different. Near term, it's quiet overnight tonight. Some showers right along the immediate coastline, but they build in nicely as we get through 1 o'clock in the afternoon, with best rain chances primarily coastal parishes, and then activity moves it off to the north as we get into the afternoon. So a scattering of showers and storms through tomorrow afternoon into tomorrow evening, and things quiet down after sunset. Another quiet night tomorrow night through Friday morning, and then another good scattering of showers and storms for Friday afternoon. So quiet night overnight tonight, 74 for your low, nearly calm winds out there. Then for tomorrow, we'll see temperatures topping out near 90, a 60% chance of showers and storms primarily during the afternoon. Again, very light southerly winds or southwest to southeast southeast winds. And as we head down the road, we go into Friday, much the same. Saturday, Sunday, got to keep the chance of afternoon showers and storms in the forecast. Doesn't look too bad. And then going into next week, still some pretty healthy rain chances, above normal rain chances for the foreseeable future. But those above normal rain chances do not include any tropical systems. So you get into mid-September, good. Got 3-4 more weeks after that we got to get through, at least through the second week of October, I normally say, before we can rest easy on the tropics. But it does look like we will be tracking more systems down the road.
All right. Thanks, Rob.